Hello and welcome to my video testing. My name is Daniele, I'm the export manager of Cantine Paradiso. Maybe you have already tested some of our wines, or maybe you will do it really soon. I hope so. Cantine Paradiso is located in the south of Italy, exactly in Puglia. The name of the city is Cerignola. It's here that we have our vineyards and our winery. Angelo Paradiso is the owner and the winemaker, and he represents the third generation of the family that is involved in this business. Today we are going to speak about our Primitivo Sant'Andrea. It comes from our youngest vineyard of Primitivo, 7 years old. The vinification is made in still for 7 to 9 days at a controlled temperature of 25 degrees. In this way we can extract all the fruity and the fresh part from the grape. Let's try this wine. As we can see, the color is ruby red with some purple reflection. The nose is intense with ripe red fruits like plum, maraschinos, but also some floral notes. In the mouth is fresh, fruity, with a good body and a soft tannin, but it also has a really nice acidity. I would describe this wine as an easy to drink Primitivo, but respecting the characteristic of the grape. I really like it. Cheers!